Well, guys, this is gonna be my first startup. Make sure ain't nothing down there around my flywheel. It look clear. This is my first startup. I done installed my injectors harness, my coil pack harness, and my throttle body harness. I still got a little more odds in to do to it, but everything looks straight. I got a 50 wire better. I'm just trying to crank it up, see what it crank. It's my first time, guys. So here you go, nothing. You see, I still got stuff everywhere. I just want to get past that first stage of getting it crunked. I'm gonna let my fuel pump prime this gas up. I'm just about 5 times. Should be done reach up there to the front. Okay. Walk around. See if there's any leaks. Anything. Shit, I can leaking up under here nowhere. I don't see it drilled. And by the way, it's a new gas tank too. I just painted it black. One more time, we'll go turn it over. I don't know, guys. Now let's check it out, see what that is.